Welcome to the Science and Environmental Wrap. In the headlines, SA not at risk of Zika virus outbreak, and first remote sensing atlas for the country. Government has called on the country not to panic over the Zika virus outbreak that's hit certain parts of the world, particularly South America. However, it has particularly urged pregnant women to avoid areas where the virus has spread. This comes after the World Health Organization declared Zika a global emergency. The National Institute for Communicable Diseases says South Africa is not at risk. The virus is believed to affect unborn babies.
It affects the brain, the development of the brain. So they don't have proper development of the brain, the heads are small, the brains are not developed, and they're obviously quite mentally challenged.
The South African National Space Agency has produced the first remote sensing atlas for the country. Remote sensing can be defined as the collection of data about an object from a distance. The atlas has been developed to cater for a wide range of audiences, from high school learners and tertiary students to government officials and the general public. The 40 pages atlas covers broad areas such as history of space technology, satellite, application of satellite images, geology, mining, agriculture, woody cover mapping, water quality, urban planning, urban development, post-floods analysis, and others. The simple and easy to understand atlas will be launched in May. In environmental news, Birdlife South Africa has started a new project to sustain 3 of the country's most valuable yet vulnerable estuaries. The project was unveiled on Wetlands Day on Tuesday. Wetlands provide a safe haven for birds and fish and a habitat for other important fauna and flora. The Back River estuary at Veldrift is the 3rd largest on the west coast and has a wide variety of plants and animals. It extends 40 kilometers inland, forming a floodplain of 60 square kilometers before flowing into the Atlantic Ocean. In South Africa, estuaries have little or no formal protection.
Many of our estuaries around the South African coastline are severely underprotected. So they're really important biodiversity habitat. They're really important for people as well, socio-economically, ecologically speaking. They're very important and they're unprotected. And so when we looked in the Western Cape in particular, the Berg River estuary, Bort River estuary and the Kleinrivier estuary, those 2 are around the Hermanus area, were underprotected and amongst our top 10 estuaries in the country in terms of ecological importance. So obviously for Birdlife South Africa, those are the sites we've got to focus on.
And staying with environment news, the Kruger National Park says some of its animals are at greater risk of being affected by the drought. The nature reserve says its struggles are more different to those of drought-stricken farmers because it keeps wildlife which are more suited to adapting to climate change. The park says although some rivers are still flowing, many dams have dried up.
I think we're definitely in a very dry period in the park. We've had far below average rainfall conditions over the past rainy season, but I don't think we should see it as an ecological disaster. In natural systems like Kruger, these drought periods are actually natural occurrences and something that happens from time to time. And it's been 25 years since we had our last serious drought in the Kruger National Park. So while our hearts go out to farmers and to communities and municipalities that are struggling during these drought periods, these droughts actually have a role to play in natural systems like the Kruger National Park. It's got a regulatory role to play in terms of certain species, and what people don't always realize is that while a lot of species are affected negatively by the drought, there's also other species like your predators and your scavengers that actually do better under the...
For more science news, go to www.sabc.co.za/news.